Deepti, directrice of Here and Now the French Institute. I welcome you to a new episode on Happy Learning French series. And today's lesson is the conditional present. In the previous video, we saw subjunctive présent. In case you've missed it, please click the I button here and you will also find the link in the description box if you want to watch the video at the end. Now let's start. Conditional is a mood or a mode just like subjunctive, indicative and so on. Hence, it has tenses like présent and passé. One good thing is that it has only two tenses, conditionnel présent and conditionnel passé. So the video is divided into two parts. Part 1 conditionnel présent and part 2 conditionnel passé. In this part 1 of the video, there are three sections. I would rather say 3 points to be covered. They are definition, formation and usage. We will see them with examples as usual. Point number 1, the definition. As I said earlier, conditional present is a mood or a mode like subjunctive or indicative. We use conditional présent to express an action which will take place provided another action has taken place before. For example, si Jean gagnait au loto, il achèterait une Ferrari. If John were to win a lottery, he would buy a Ferrari. Here we're using conditional présent achèterait because winning the lottery is a condition for John to buy a Ferrari. Don't worry if you don't understand it immediately. Let me explain in detail in the third point of this video. We also use conditional présent to ask something politely. Conditional présent is also used to express something without certainty. For example, il se pourrait qu'il pleuve demain. It might rain tomorrow. Point number 2, formation. How to form conditional present. It is very simple if you have learned how to form future simple and imparfait in French. And if you're doubtful, I strongly recommend you to watch our videos on these topics before proceeding. If you have a fair idea of future simple and imparfait, then this video will make sense to you. Let's take the verb parler and conjugate it in future simple and imparfait. It will be je parlerai, tu parleras, il parlera, elle parlera, nous parlerons, vous parlerez, ils parleront, elles parleront. And in imparfait, it would be je parlais, tu parlais, il parlait, elle parlait, nous parlions, vous parliez, il parlait et elle parlait. And for conditional présent, we take the radical of the verb from future simple and the ending of the verb from imparfait. It is joined to form conditional présent. So let me conjugate parler in conditional présent for you. Je parlerai, tu parlerais, il parlerait, elle parlerait. Nous parlerions, vous parleriez, il parlerait, and elle parlerait. Hope now you've understood how to form conditional présent. Let's see few more regular verbs like donner, finir, vendre. Now few irregular verbs. However, if you've learned future simple well, then this is going to be easy too. Let me start with être. In future simple, je serai, tu seras, il sera, elle sera, nous serons, vous serez, ils seront, and elles seront. Whereas imparfait, j'étais, tu étais, il était, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, and elles étaient. Now, I again use the radical of the verb from future simple and the ending of the verb from imparfait. to form the conditionnel présent. Être in conditionnel présent. Je serai, tu serais, il serait, elle serait. Nous serions, vous seriez, il serait, and elle serait. Here you go with some more irregular verbs like avoir, aller, faire, savoir, and vouloir, the most used. If you would like to know the pronunciation of each and every verb, I recommend you to watch our video on the verb series. Now, the final point to be learned is how to use conditional présent in a sentence. Let's recall a few points from the definition of where conditional présent is used. Conditional présent is used to express an if-then hypothetical situation. Si plus imparfait plus conditionnel présent. For example, si j'étais riche, je vivrais dans un grand palais. If I was rich, I would live in a palace. Si tu finissais ton travail à l'heure, tu serais à l'aise maintenant. If you had finished your work on time, then you would be at ease now. Si il avait une voiture, il viendrait me chercher. If he was having a car, he would come to pick me. I told you, we also use conditional présent to express something politely. For example, je voudrais acheter un hamburger. I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
Pourriez-vous me prêter 1000 euros? Could you lend me 1,000 euros? Finally, conditional présent is also used to express an information without certainty. Une information sans certitude. For example, il se pourrait qu'il aille la voir ce soir. He might go to see her this evening. That's it for conditional présent. Let's meet for the conditional passé. That is the part 2 of this video. Hope you've enjoyed the content. If so, like and share with all your other French learning mates. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to Here and Now the French Institute. Until then, this is Deepthi signing off. Au revoir and happy learning French.